How to send sound emoji in Messenger. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So the first step is you need to open up your Messenger application on your device. Once you do that, you will be able to see the chat section on your screen. So in order to send the sound emoji, you need to first select the conversation or the person to whom you want to send. Once you open the chat, you will be able to see this interface. So in the lower section, there are the options for sending a message. You can simply tap on the box and you can enter. So at the right hand side of that, there is a smiley emoji or the smiley face. Simply tap over that. And from over here, you will be able to see all of the emoji. In the right hand side of the emoji, there is a volume like option. Simply swipe to that and here you will be able to see the emoji. So these are the emoji with sound. There are so many emoji that have sounds or that contain the sounds while sending. You can simply tap on that and you can go for send. And whenever the person receives the message, he can simply tap on the emoji and he will receive the sound. So this is how you send sound emoji in Messenger. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.